Hey man, what's your name? What's going on? I'm Jacob. And what all's in here, man?
I just got 2 Scar VXF 15s.
Okay.
On 10.0 5K.
Alright. Did you do this install?
I did.
Nice.
Anything.
Oh, that's good. Did you build the box?
I did. I don't know what it's tuned to. I feel like it's like low 30s.
Okay. So low 30 hertz range.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Do you know how big it is, cubic wise?
I don't know.
You just pretty much put together?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Is it slotted?
It is on the back.
Okay.
I can show you afterwards.
Yeah, I'll do that. And what about your speakers and tweeters, upgrade electrical and all?
I don't have any. I just have 2. What is it? Just 2 AGMs on the back.
Okay.
And I had stock electrical other than that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So stock alternator?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have the big 3 done, but other than that, yeah.
Okay.
So,
Nice, man.
I got a demo of you last year, so.
Oh, okay, you did. When I had the. Oh yeah, that was pretty loud before we.
Yeah, I tapped, so.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Is this your first time building the box? Or
Yeah.
Okay.
Never done it before.
Really nice, man. Looks really good. I like it. I like your bass knob.
Appreciate it.
Sweet.
For some reason, like, if I have it, one of the RCAs unplugged, it's louder. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah. It's like.
I've never heard that before.
Don't ask me. I probably did something wrong.
Unless you have your RCAs hooked up wrong in here and then one's on sub out instead of 2.
I've been meaning to pull my head unit, but I've been.
It's the only thing I can think of is if your RCAs weren't installed right on the head unit. So is there a way I can see the back? See how the box looks?
Today's video is sponsored by NVX, and I've got a little subwoofer here for you to check out. The VCW 8-inch subwoofer with a 14mm one-way X-Max carbon fiber cone and a really stout motor structure for an 8-inch subwoofer. Definitely recommend checking out. All details in the description to learn more about this. It has a 2.5-inch 4-layer high-temp black voice coil with a 124-ounce triple stack magnet with a frequency range of 20 to 200 hertz and dual progressive roll bolt-on spiders with integrated braided leads.
It said only Denali's on the sticker. All right.
Yep.
Nice. Really tall.
Yeah, I don't know.
So you did a really slim port, but tall.
The thing was, I had a CRV before this.
Okay.
So I built it to those dimensions, so I
All right.
couldn't make it any wider.
Yeah. And then you put it in the SUV.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. Do you know what you probably don't know much about the box, you said?
No, I pretty much slapped it together. I
Okay.
don't remember anything.
That's all right. But you got it where the box don't move, so that's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll take a turn and let's slide around.
Yeah.
That wasn't too good though.
Yeah, it looks good. That's probably why your tune really low is you have a small port area here. And do you know how far back it goes at least?
Pretty much all the way to the back, and then it's like
Okay.
an angle.
Oh, so you actually have an L.
Yeah.
L-ish port. Okay. Nice job. What was your name?
Anthony.
Anthony.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. I met you before, but thanks for the demo again. Yes, sir. Anyway, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Sounds good.
Nobody won't die. Live life, see the moment. Them bad bitches on the same shit we on. Paper. I know you tryna fuck something likes on my IG, but I ain't tryna love nothing. I just wanna slide, hit the club with some ass touching, take it to the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking. Set the record straight.
Nice, man. Pretty musical.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did a good job, man. And it gets pretty low.
Yeah.
Yeah. How low is that down? It's at 33?
33.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it likes the mid-30s pretty good.
Yep.
Nice job, man.
I can play another song if you want.
Yeah, man. Yeah, sing a song. Sounds good. All right. Nice job. Yeah, definitely mid-30s did good. I appreciate the second song. That was 28. That was down to 28.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Awesome. Great demo.
Thank you.